hear the birds? Lots of birds singing. I don't think you can see it from through these trees, but there's a big bluff right through there. Ah, look at the mountain, the little bluffs over here, and there's where we just came from, right there. And this trail is considered moderately challenging, and I can see why. There are a lot of tree roots and a lot of up and down, because you're hiking along this big side of the mountain here. So there's a lot of weaving. But look down there. Trail is absolutely beautiful, y'all. And it looks like we're coming to a little clearing here where you can get a little bit more views, and then we gotta go up. See how it glitters? Must be some kind of quartz. This has not been one of the quietest trails that I've been on, but it certainly has been one of the prettiest. You almost have constant views on this side of the Ouachitas. It looks like there's probably a farm of some sort down there, and that's what you can hear. You can hear car doors, and you can hear a dog barking off in the distance. Yeah, definitely pretty though, definitely. This way. I just heard something. What was that?
Exercise ring closed.
Not that. I heard something else, like a grunting noise. Huh. I don't know. I can hear the dog barking off in the distance. Now here we are, a little ways down. Just came from that way there. And my watch says we've only gone 0.75 miles, so we hadn't even gone a mile yet. And so this trail is covered. I bet these are, when they get enough rain, I bet you they're just flowing with water. But that's really neat. Okay, so yeah, so we're almost to the, yeah, so here we are. We're to the road now. So you have a couple of choices at this point. I believe that the trail maybe resumes. It resumes on the other side somewhere. I think probably right there. But, or you can hike back down if you park at the visitor center like I did, which is what I'm going to do today. I'm not going to go on, I'm not going to do the extended one today. Or you can hike or drive up this way, and that'll take you up Queen Wilhelmina. It'll also take you to a lot of the various overlooks. So yeah, I am going to step over there though and see if that is where the trail continues. But we're going to end it here today because like I said, I want to do some more exploring another day. I want to come back down here again, and yeah, so we're going to end this video right here. Thanks for watching. Bye.